This is Advantec Marine. We have over 120 years collective experience specializing in design, engineering, and manufacturing of specialty marine application closures and cranes for a variety of vessel types: commercial workboat vessels, military patrol vessels, super yachts, Coast Guard, tugboats, and ferries. We are composed of 5 brands: Diamond Sea Glaze, Freeman Marine, Pacific Coast Marine, Steelhead Marine, and USA Sliding Doors. What markets do our brands serve? Freeman Marine. Closures for HD commercial and military vessels specializing in cast hatches. The 2400 hatch is an industry benchmark. Pacific Coast Marine. Closures for yacht, specializing in sliding doors. Steelhead Marine. High-quality cranes, davits, and drive systems for recreational and commercial. USA Sliding Doors, specializing in Class 2 and Class 3 vertical and horizontal watertight doors for maritime and civil industries. Diamond Sea Glaze, closures for commercial OEM and recreational. Windows are industry benchmark. We pride ourselves on being customer-obsessed, and our customers' needs are our priority. Here is some of our top customers. Our goal is to turn fans into customers and turn customers into advocates, which involves shifting from what we do and why we do it to how we can better serve our customers. We have partners and distributors all over the world, giving our customers accessibility to our products from all over the globe. Advantec is a collaboration of brands, each brand with a long history of service to marine and industrial clients from around the globe. Advantec exists to enable our individual companies in the global marketplace. Our organization lives its primary objective to transform manufacturing into a shared creative experience.